Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for the first timers, hi, this is Billy and this is my first vlog in a while dahil naging busy ulit tayo sa work, and this is also the first time na may fragrance review ako sa isang family cologne or baby cologne naman, and it's the latest Avon Heaven Sent variant. It's called Avon Heaven Sent Family Cologne in Happy Days. It's described as a citrus, fruity fragrance bursting with joyful energy. So, yung notes niya ay frozen citrus accord, yellow plums, and musk symphonide. And it should wear, and once the wearer wears this scent, it will put them in a perfectly happy mood all day. This is according to Avon Philippines. And nakailang wear test na ako nito actually for the past week or two. Yon. And I can say that it lasted on me for at most 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours ito nagtagal sa skin ko. And sa clothes din, mas matagal siya when I splash it, not just sa body, pati sa damit. It's just according to experience, but I don't know if it's recommendable or if it's advisable na ilagay din to sa damit. But still, 4 hours ang itinagal nito. And right away, na-smell ko yung citrus notes nito sa paglagay pa lang. And later on, it becomes this yellow, plummy, fruity scent. It's clean and mild, not too overpowering, hindi masangsang, not that strong. Tama lang yung balance ng freeness and being that squeaky clean, bagong ligo na feeling. And later on, sa base notes ito, it becomes this musk symphonide, which according to my research, let me just look at it for a bit. So Google. It's a synthetic musk known for its modern crystal clear scent profile with a fresh, clean, and slightly sweet aroma. Parang skin but better. I'm going to put the description of what musk symphonide is later on sa description box as well. Ganun lang. Nakaka-enhance talaga to ng good mood. And overall, ang rate ko dito is 8.5 out of 10. Hindi siya overpowering. Hindi siya masangsang sa nose. I've experienced na sinubukan din to ni Dad and nabanguhan siya dito. So, it has this citrus smell na maganda yung blending niya, and yung plummy, fruity, skin but better feels nandun din. Talagang happy days yung tamang description sa scent na to dahil nakakaganda talaga ng mood. And also, before I wrap up this little review, aside from the 8.5 out of 10 stars review dito, I also noticed na yung pabangong Heaven Sent Happy Days, nandun din yung citrus feel niya when I also added it sa mga damit. And nagtagal ito sa akin when yung halimbawa I didn't sweat so much kasi pawisin ako eh. Kaya yung mga pabangos akin, like mga cologne or perfume, hindi nagtatagal ng ganun like I was expecting. However, nung halimbawa, nandun ako sa spaces na naka-aircon lang or malamig, nagtagal ito sa akin. So, talagang reapply talaga nito kapag pawisin kayo or nasa mga humid places or medyo maaraw para fresh pa rin sa pakiramdam tsaka yung amoy. And also, I also got this dahil yung pagkahilig ko sa citrusy and mild lang na mga amoy. I have yet to try yung Sunshine Yellow na variant nito eh. It's one of their best sellers. The last time I tried it was in the early 2000s nung elementary ako. Yes! May konting age reveal! Anyway, that has been the review that I have for this Avon Heaven Sent Happy Days Family Cologne. Talagang pang buong family siya. Anyone can wear this. It's mild. Pwede siya sa mga bata, for the parents, ate, kuya, tito, tita, lolo, lola. Everyone can wear this. Shout out to the following. First, sa Hilton and Hailey vlog. First, proper shout out ko sa inyo to this long form vlog video that I'm creating. And also to my colleagues currently, Jolas Tormento, Ayumi Andu, and Airi Horado. I'm glad that we are still seeing each other sa line of work natin, especially dahil na sa shift natin. Well, we're improving naman sa ating trabaho. Let's all hope for the best. And sa mga former colleagues ko, Chino Canalita and Dwight Pile, I hope we can still see each other in person. And that has been the video content that I have for this day. Thank you so much for watching. See you all once again in the next video. Have a great day ahead, and here's to more joyful mood and happy days.
I'd like to give as well a shout out to Lance Angelo Cunanan, Hannah Rain Leonardo, Jude Vanille Spicer, Darwin Cass, Emir's Angel Leo Rugal, Kaislyn Pedeglorio, Tasha, Jerry Christopher Bitalak, Rico Mark Angelo Sanggalang, and Leana Purificacion. Shout out as well to River, Jericho De Rojas, Mark Franco Carrion, Roxanne Reyes, Apple Jane Andoy, Lance Walter Gutierrez, Nicole Rake, Daryl Tizon, Alali Marie 14, Rovelyn Sablay, Claire Andrada, Jana Navarro, Silas, Ronald John Calanayan, Kendall Gabriel Villamor, Josh Hush, Christian Manisalbas, Cristel Albaladejo, Dayo Matuog, Jonas Masaki, Cheryl Ann Conmigo, Colleen Onayan, Luis Joshua Santos, Rox Dizon, Paul Calamno, Irie Horado, Dwight Pili, Janice Antonio, Jennifer Antonio, Katrina Miracle Sico, George Noriega, Herbie Bakir, and Tyler Angeles. Shout out as well to L. Francis Labata, Jonna May Gomez, Kate Dionzon, Russell Javier, Alexia Rain Dator, Nika Larazabal, Ivan Gambol, Jul Arclaner Capistrano, Jules Estrella, Roscar Campos, RJ Narvaez, Micah Bautista, and to everyone else who are supporting my channel, and to all my workmates and former schoolmates. Hello to everyone. Thank you for the support.